Hi everyone, and welcome to the course. It is really great to have you on board. I want to dive into an awesome technology for building full stack applications with Angular on the front end. In this course, we will dive into mean stack that stands for MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node. It means we are going to build an Angular application which is a client-side JavaScript framework for building beautiful user interfaces. And as a backend, we use Node and Express and using MongoDB as database. And therefore, you will see the full picture of creating a full stack Angular application. I'm really excited to dive into all of that together with you. So now, the question is, who am I? My name is Subhash. I'm a web developer and software instructor at Vermaclabs located at LB Nagar in Hyderabad. I worked with all these technologies and so happy to share that with you in a simple way. So let's start the course by understanding mean stack step by step. What does mean stands for? What are the concepts we will learn about in this course? Mean comprises a set of 4 technologies and this is what it stands for. M stands for MongoDB and it's the database we use in this course. It is the part where we will be able to store and maintain the data the users of our application generate, like posts and messages, media files, and many things like that. We don't connect it to the Angular. We could find a way, but we don't do that because we don't want to expose our database in our browser site, which can be easily be viewed by the user. It is accessible in the developer tools of the browser window. So we don't connect MongoDB to Angular. We connect MongoDB to our server environment. It's a powerful database which can be easily integrated to Node and Express environments. It can be able to handle large amounts of data requests per second, write actions per second, and read actions per second.